is up, my dude? Welcome to the vlog, and today we're doing vlog number 4. Let's go. I did not actually capture like the whole day because I've already ate my breakfast. I've already gotten dressed. I've already took a shower, and yeah, so it is gonna be a lot of the day, but it wasn't actually my morning routine this time. As I did in the last vid, my last vid, I did a challenge, and I'm going to be doing another challenge, but not until the end of the video, so stay tuned to the end of the video. So I'm gonna go outside and check the. Look at this. Look at this dude.
Bruh, look at this dude.
That was dumb. My sister's taking the longest shower in the whole entire world. I've gotta say. Time to brush teeth.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm done. And yeah, I'm done. I'm going to a baby shower, but not today, I don't think. I'm not going to a baby shower today, but I will, although I am too bad I can't vlog it for you guys because I have to spend time with the family. So, yeah, that's the deal. Oh, and if the 2 people that were getting the shout-outs, I know you were waiting for your shout-outs. I did do it. However, I did give you shout-outs in my gaming channel. So I'm going to give you a shout-out on my vlog channel. Shout-out to French Tato, I think. I don't know. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it right. And then shout-out to Core Does Everything. And those are the 2 shout-outs. And if you want to get a shout-out in one of my videos, then make sure you whack that subscribe button. Like any of my videos, say I subscribed in the comments, and then I'll give you a free shout out in one of my videos. I'm home alone again, and I don't really know what to do on camera for you guys, because normally I'll just, well, if my parents are home, I'll go play with my friends. But if they're not, then I'm not allowed to play with my friends and go down the street. So, but normally I will go play with my friends. I can't because I'm home alone, so I don't really know what to do. It's almost lunchtime, so I guess I can film now. Although it would probably be boring. And stay tuned for my new video that I'm making on my Puffy Little Gaming channel, because it's going to be a special. That's a hint. I might as well just tell you. I hit 20 subscribers on my gaming channel, so I'm going to be doing a 20 subscriber special. I'm just going to watch some YouTube.
1 eternity later.
So guys, normally I don't eat microwave burgers and it's lunchtime. So now,
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So my sister's putting a face mask on. And she looks like if you look like a person that if you, it looks like if you played Jumanji, you look like one of the monkeys. So we're gonna wait and see Kane's result.
1 eternity later.
She's peeling it off, everybody.
Look at all that, Zach. You see all
I
that?
can't see.
I know, you can't see on camera.
Let me
Look. You see that?
It's like huge keep meal.
Oh my god, Zach, look. Look, Zach, that's a lot.
Let me see.
See, you never know. My eyes are watering. Whoa, feel my face now.
I don't want to.
No, right there is really soft now. Let me feel yours. Oh, you'd be more softer.
But it hurts.
Not bad.
Kaden.
It's not that bad though. Oh, that wasn't ready.
Right.
It wasn't ready.
And you're on video.
Okay, then
Ew. I'm happy. So guys, I couldn't watch that anymore. So it's starting to rain outside. Wait, is that hailing?
Nope.
Hold on, guys, I'm gonna check. I'm going out. It's hailing already. Not even kidding. There's like on the rain on the windows. This is seriously scaring me, guys. Oh crap! This is exciting, actually. Oh my god, flirts. I'm excited. It is raining like crazy outside, and we just took out the trash outside, and it was pouring. As I said, I was going to do a challenge at the end of the video, and the challenge is going to be we're gonna be doing the floor is lava extreme version. The floor is lava. I'm good, right? Sure. Okay. The floor is lava. Oh my gosh. Am I good? Sure. Thanks. The floor is lava. Am I good? Sure. Okay. The floor is lava. Am I good? Yeah, you are. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, and comment on subscribe in the comments. And I will give you a shout out in one of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.